Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you no longer need usage tracking, app limits, downtime or parental controls, you can completely turn screen time off on your iPhone. Okay, so in iPhone settings 2026, disabling screen time removes all restrictions and stops activity tracking instantly. This guide I will show you step by step how to turn off screen time on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, tap settings. Okay, so this is where screen time controls are located. Scroll down and tap screen time. Okay, so you will see your activity, summary and controls. Okay, so scroll down and tap turn off screen time. Okay, so scroll all the way down and tap turn off. Okay, turn off screen time. A confirmation message will appear, and then turn off screen time. If prompted, enter your screen time passcode. So screen time is now disabled after you did the step that I told you. Okay, so once turned off, the app usage tracking stops, downtime is removed, app limits are disabled, content and privacy restrictions are removed, reports and history stop updating. Okay, so the changes apply immediately. Okay, so if screen time was set for a child, if this device is under family sharing, turn off screen time from the parent's device, go to settings, go to family, tap child and tap screen time, and then turn off. Okay, so child devices can disable it themselves. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.